Panel, and thank you for using Delta. We have this message, guys. What's up, fellas, and welcome to my brand new review. In this review, I will show you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox, absolutely free, safe, and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called AppLoop, then type in search Delta Executor and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and I will have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here, or let me just show you. So open your game, okay, go to this create, and okay, you have this your profile. Click there and copy user ID. Okay, let's get back to the R tool. Then you have paste button, just press paste and press continue, guys, and let's see. As you can see, user found. So the next step is select on button and select script that you want to add to your account, guys. I will select these 6 scripts. Okay, so let me click continue, guys, and let's see the next step, and let's wait a little bit for this AP connecting. So let's see the next step. Okay, AP connected, nice. Just scroll down and click I'm not a robot to verify yourself, guys. And now, guys, we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important steps. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questions. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start the loading from the official publisher. When the app are downloaded, complete the task. Below each task you have description of what you have to do. So, guys, I will download Travel Town and DraftKings Casino, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay, guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags, guys. I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happened, so let's wait together and let's see. Nice, guys, verification successful. Thanks for passing the boat check. Delta Executor is important to your account, guys. I'm so excited to test this. Okay, so let me open the game and let's test. Does it actually work? So let's see. Okay, so let me play this still. Okay. Okay, let's wait. Okay, guys, I'm now in the game and look at this. We have this panel, and thank you for using Delta. We have this message, guys. Click on home button and look at this. All scripts are added successfully. Just click execute and join in your scripts. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.